Let's get one thing straight. You're busy, but so is everyone else. Time is money, and your health is your greatest asset. Stop settling for sad takeout or pre-packaged disappointment. If you have time to scroll emails, you have 10 minutes to fuel your body. Excuses are for amateurs. Champions find solutions. Today, I'm giving you 10 ultra-fast meals. No meal prep, no boring food, just real delicious results. Get your figurative apron on. Let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with a lunch that's as bold as it is nourishing, the lemon pepper chickpea smash wrap. This isn't just another sandwich, it's a power move for your midday meal designed to keep you sharp, satisfied, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Whether you're hustling through meetings, studying for exams, or just trying to eat better, this wrap is about to become your new go-to. Chickpeas are your secret weapon, seriously. These little legumes are loaded with fiber, which means they'll keep you full for hours, and they're packed with plant-based protein to help you power through your afternoon. Plus, they're budget-friendly and super versatile, making them a staple for anyone who wants to eat well without breaking the bank. Imagine this: no more mindless snacking on chips or cookies, no more sugar crashes that leave you feeling sluggish by 3 p.m. Instead, you get steady energy, clear focus, and a lunch that actually tastes amazing. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in your day. Making this wrap is as easy as it gets. Start by draining and rinsing a can of chickpeas. No fancy equipment needed. Pour them into a bowl and smash them up with a fork or potato masher. You want some texture, so don't go for a puree. A few chunky bits are perfect. This step is oddly satisfying and takes less than a minute. Next, squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. This brightens everything up and adds a zesty kick. Crack in some black pepper, sprinkle a pinch of salt, and if you're feeling a little extra, toss in some chopped parsley or coriander for a fresh, herby lift. Taste as you go, and adjust the seasoning to your liking. This is your lunch, your rules, so make it sing. Now grab a whole wheat wrap, soft, hearty, and full of fiber. Spoon a generous amount of your chickpeas smashed down the center. Top it with a handful of fresh spinach or rocket for crunch and a pop of green. You could even add sliced cucumber, grated carrot, or a few cherry tomatoes if you want to level up the freshness. Roll it up tight, tucking in the sides as you go, and you've got a wrap that's ready to travel, whether it's to your desk, your backpack, or your lunchbox. Here's the best part: this wrap is cheaper, healthier, and way tastier than anything you'll find in a store or vending machine. You know exactly what's in it. No hidden sugars, no mystery ingredients, just real food that fuels you right. Make a few at once and you've got meal prep sorted for days. Stack them in the fridge. Grab one on your way out, and you're set. It's efficient, it's colorful, and it delivers on both flavor and results. You'll feel the difference in your energy, your focus, and even your mood. So, no more excuses. Ditch the sad desk lunches and fuel your day like a pro. The lemon pepper chickpea smash wrap is your new secret weapon. Ready for the next game-changing lunch idea? Let's keep going. Next up, spinach egg white skillet cups. If you're tired of greasy fry-ups or heavy breakfasts that slow you down, this is your new go-to. These egg cups are not only delicious, but they're also incredibly quick to make, faster than brewing your morning coffee. Imagine starting your day with a protein-packed, veggie-filled breakfast that takes almost no effort and leaves you feeling energized, not sluggish. Egg whites are pure protein, which means they help build lean muscle and keep you full longer, all while burning calories. They're low in fat, low in calories, and high in nutrition, making them the perfect base for a healthy breakfast. Plus, using liquid egg whites from a carton saves you time and mess, so you can focus on what matters: fueling your day. Grab a non-stick muffin tin. This is your secret weapon for easy, mess-free cooking. Give it a light spray with oil to prevent sticking, then press in a generous handful of fresh spinach. Spinach wilts down as it cooks, so don't be shy. You can even add other veggies like diced peppers or tomatoes for extra flavor and color. Pour in your liquid egg whites, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Now season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes for a little morning kick. If you like, sprinkle in some herbs or a bit of grated cheese for extra taste. These cups are endlessly customizable. Slide the muffin tin into your oven or toaster oven and bake for just 8 to 10 minutes. That's barely enough time to brush your teeth or pick out your outfit. While they bake, your kitchen fills with the savory aroma of eggs and veggies. No standing over a hot stove required. When the timer dings, pop the egg cups out. They come out perfectly every time. Enjoy them hot for a cozy breakfast, or let them cool and eat them cold for a refreshing on-the-go snack. They're the ultimate grab-and-go fuel for busy mornings. Make a big batch on Sunday, store them in a glass container in your fridge, and you'll have a healthy breakfast ready for the entire week. Just grab, heat if you want, and go. No excuses, no skipping meals. Fast, efficient, and exactly what a busy professional needs to stay sharp and energized. With these egg cups, you're not just saving time, you're setting yourself up for success, one healthy breakfast at a time. It's that time of day again. The afternoon slump is creeping in, and your energy is starting to dip. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee or a sugary snack, let's power up with something that truly fuels your brain and body. The Avocado Tuna Power Bowl. This isn't just a meal, it's a midday game changer designed to help you crush your to-do list and keep your mind sharp. Forget the old-school heavy tuna salad you might remember from childhood, loaded with mayonnaise and lacking in nutrients. We're taking tuna salad to a whole new level, making it lighter, fresher, and packed with ingredients that support your brain and metabolism. The stars of this bowl are tuna and avocado, two nutritional powerhouses. Tuna is rich in lean protein and loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, focus, and even fat loss. Avocado brings its own healthy fats, fiber, and a creamy texture that makes every bite satisfying. Together, they create a synergy that helps you stay energized and alert, without the crash. Start by choosing a high-quality can of tuna. Look for one packed in water or olive oil for the best flavor and nutrition. Drain it well, then use a fork to gently flake the tuna into a bowl. This step is quick and easy, but it's the foundation of your power bowl. Next, grab a perfectly ripe avocado. Slice it in half, remove the pit, and dice up 1/2 into bite-sized pieces. Add the avocado to your bowl with the tuna. The creamy avocado not only adds richness, but also helps keep you full for hours. Now it's time to bring in some brightness and crunch. Squeeze fresh lime or lemon juice over the mixture. This wakes up all the flavors and adds a dose of vitamin C. Toss in some finely chopped red onion for a little bite, and a handful of fresh cilantro for a burst of herby freshness. Season with a pinch of salt and a crack of black pepper. Gently mix everything together, being careful not to mash the avocado too much. You want to keep those lovely chunks for texture. You can enjoy your avocado tuna power bowl straight from the bowl with a fork, or, for a fun twist, scoop it into crisp lettuce leaves for a low-carb handheld option. Either way, you're getting a meal that's as delicious as it is nourishing. The best part? This entire meal comes together in under 7 minutes. No cooking required. It's perfect for busy work days, quick lunches, or even a post-workout refuel. You'll be amazed at how much flavor and nutrition you can pack into such a short amount of time. With every bite, you're fueling your body with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and vibrant flavors that keep you full, focused, and far away from the temptation of the snack drawer. Make this avocado tuna power bowl your new lunchtime ritual, and watch your productivity and your mood soar for the rest of the day. Need a hot, satisfying meal without the calories? Garlic mushroom lettuce boats. Use crisp lettuce leaves as boats for garlicky mushrooms. Low carb, high volume, zero guilt. Slice mushrooms, sauté in olive oil, don't crowd the pan. Add minced fresh garlic and a splash of soy sauce. Cook until fragrant. Spoon into lettuce leaves. Garnish with sesame seeds or green onions. Done in under 10 minutes. Hot, delicious, and totally on track with your goals. Tacos, reinvented. Greek yogurt chicken taco cups. Swap greasy beef for shredded rotisserie chicken. Mix with taco seasoning and plain Greek yogurt for creamy, protein-packed filling. Spoon into lettuce cups, top with diced tomato, onion, or cilantro. Crisp, fresh, and satisfying. No heavy shells, no calorie overload. Fast, smart, and delicious. Hot day? Try the cold sesame cucumber noodle bowl. Spiralize a cucumber for hydrating, calorie-free noodles. Whisk sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of honey for dressing. Toss with cucumber noodles. Add shredded chicken, edamame, sesame seeds, or scallions if you want. Light, energizing, and ready in minutes. Sweet cravings. Crush them with the cottage cheese berry burn bowl. Full-fat cottage cheese plus mixed berries, protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Add nuts or seeds for crunch, a drizzle of honey if you need. 2 minutes, zero guilt, and it actually helps you burn fat. Ditch the bread. Make turkey and mustard collard wraps. Use a collard green leaf as your wrap. Shave the stem, spread with mustard, layer on lean turkey, cheese, and crunchy veggies. Roll up tight, portable, high protein, and no afternoon crash. Gut health matters. Try the quick kimchi egg scramble. Whisk eggs, cook gently in a pan. When nearly set, fold in chopped kimchi. Finish cooking, plate up. Spicy, protein-packed, and great for your gut. Need balance? Hummus veggie pita pocket. Whole wheat pita spread with hummus, stuffed with spinach, carrots, cucumber, peppers and onion. Add chickpeas, chicken or feta for extra protein. Portable, balanced and ready in 5 minutes. 10 recipes, 10 solutions, 10 ways to fuel your body in under 10 minutes. No more excuses, just results. Your kitchen is now your high-performance center. Take ownership, take action, like, subscribe, and make one recipe tomorrow. Prove to yourself how easy this is. The results will speak for themselves. Now go be brilliant.